In this video, I'll be showing you how to stop Gemini opening from holding the power button on Samsung phone. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, the power button or side button is often set to launch an AI assistant like Gemini by default. So if you prefer the traditional power off menu, there's an easy way to fix it. What you want to do is go over to your settings application, scroll down, and towards the bottom, you're going to see advanced features as one of the options. Now, what you want to do is tap on side button. And then from here, under the press and hold option or the long press option, all you want to do is change the selection from Wake Bixby or Digital Assistant to Power Off menu. As you can see, it's on Digital Assistant right now. Switch to Power Off menu, and then that's literally it. You'll be good to go from that point onwards. You can even just disable the Digital Assistant application if you just never use it, but this is the easiest way and clearest way to do it. And like I said, you can do it on literally any Samsung phone that you have that of course has Gemini on it. But yeah, it's as simple as that. There's nothing else to it. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe, and also be sure to check out all our other tutorials that we've been posting on the channel as well, because there is a lot to go through and you might find something you didn't know about yet.